Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Magkuan sa ta. Magtanaw sa ta sa ato ang gipatrabaho kang adlaw. I asked someone to work to make the bodega. They were busy today. You see, this is a lemongrass tanglad. Gibubuan day sa akong panday. Uy, naan naman day oh. Daghan naman ginger. See that? Ginger. To those who don't know, the leaves from ginger. This is the ginger. Harvest na ito. And here is the bodega. So this is what they call. So I finished, guys. And there is a banana. Look. So, kuan today. And this is the banana leaves. And you know guys, nalibang si Nining. And this is our avocado. I planned, you know guys, here will be the fake grass, but also we have banana, we have the papaya, and we have the banana. See, and we took out already. And we have also water here. Duck. And there is the canal from irrigation. And I was washing curtains, and then this no, is not kuan, baho man. Pwede man untag inita today, pero laig baho. Flex na ako ang short nga automatic washing machine. Kung gisay gusto mo palit og washing machine, kana yung anak kanindot kayo. Luna, hi, hi, who's that? There is Mama is cooking, and there is Patrick. Here is Patrick. Na, ba't gipaningot in town? Uy, ang kuan, bugoy. Gipaningot mga langga, oh. Who's that? Who's that? Hi! I'm Patrick. Hi! Ikaw, can you say hi? Hi! I'm Patrick. Hi! I'm Patrick. Wala ba ni? Wala na ba ni kuan? Uy! Uy! Ay! Stand up! Stand up eh! Stand up eh! Stand up! Oops! Oh lolo! Here is Mama! Here is Mama cooking! And we have this! Here na! Uy! Walay chinilas! Luya! Mananaw tao eh! Luya man na! Here guys! Our shrimp! It will be a buttered chicken. Ay, buttered shrimp. Patrick? Patrick. Come. Matuwad ka. ikaw lagi matuwad. Matuwad ka, ana. Karag-karag. Karag-karag si mama. Ah, Lulu. Lulu is out there. Lulu is there. Ang work ko sinira for the day. Uling isari. Kaya baka ako i-thumbnail.
Ayaw, paano yun?
Iya yun yung tuyo. Unin ka na. Here. Come here. Come mama. Anak kay maangin matuluhod ka anak. Oh. Nala, hapit tayo sa musangko na. Sa kuan. Hello, what is that? Yara ba ng panglungyon? Guys, we put some corner kuan like this, oh. But Patrick knows how to take off. Where you go, huy? Where you go? Where you go, Patrick? Ayay. Hala, mama, oh. Dito naman, eh. What are you doing there? Hmm. Hmm? As 20. Mukti naman ko. Para ako. Humuta, oy. Humuta, oy. Patrick. Para mong bugoy, oh. Pagtuklod ng kalamihan ni. Hila po nilang oyster na. Hoy! Wala. Apa yung sinilas? Kaya kami ikuan. Close open. Close open. Water off. You hold it up. Look, what is in there? Huh? Where? Butangan pa na siya. Oy, no. That's a Dettol. This is Dettol. This is not for game. No. Delete. Hala, mama, ah.
Patrick.
Look.
No, ah. Natawag ko yung second frame.
Sinira, kay nagluto. Dera pa among bugoy, oh. What is there? Hala. Oh, kamao po siya na. Butang. Oh, very good. Very good. Yeah. Oh. Who's that? Hi, I'm Patrick. Hi, I'm Patrick. So guys, I'm feeding the dog. Look, here's the dog, and here's the dog, and here is the dog. Are you still hungry? Wala namang kakoy. Shh, dito. Naong ni mo ron. Dali. Wala na. Wala na, oy. Shh. So, I'm finished feeding the dog. I'm gonna do wala na siya.